Hey guys, I am here at Squishy Mart. We got all the squishies behind me and I am going shopping. I have $100 bill and I can't wait, and everything that they have is squishies. So let's get started. Okay, first things first is it's my birthday tomorrow. I want a cupcake to eat tomorrow. I'll get this cupcake. Squishy. There's dogs playing around down here. I'll show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna set my basket right here. First things first is I want some yummy watermelon. Right there. They got pineapple too. I'm gonna get pineapple. My friend is coming over, so I think we need another piece of watermelon. Oh, random stuff. Oh, this is cool. Little action figure type thing. I'm gonna get that. A plant. I want that. Ooh, they got some good technologies for a good price. Only $200 for each one. I'm gonna get the Nintendo Switch. We can play that. Next, they got some good snacks here, like candy. We're gonna get some Nutella so we can make some good bread. I mean, not good bread, good sandwiches. Bubblegum to chew. We should get lollipops. Perfect. Cookies. We're having a fun night. Some donuts. But there's only one donut. Hopefully we can maybe find a giant cinnamon roll we can cut into two. And a giant box of Milk Duds. Share size. And it's also her birthday tomorrow. That's how we're best friends. She loves this character. There's this guy that animates, that draws, and this is one of the characters. I'm gonna get this for her. She'll love that. Let's get some drinks. We need some Fanta. That's okay. And we should get some milk to go with our cookies. Anything else? A mini fridge. That's cool. Let's get this mini fridge and put our drinks in there. A banana. No, we're staying at strawberries. We can make a strawberry and banana smoothie. We need breakfast food. Another donut. Perfect. We are gonna get some pancakes. Since we got Nutella, we need bread. Where's the bread? Right there. That's perfect. We can cut it up. We can cut this up and make some yummy sandwiches. That's perfect. Now, it's very cold outside, so we need some tissues. Get some tissues. She really wants paper, but she can't afford it. Should I buy her some paper and a pencil? I'm gonna do that. Whoa! They're giving out pet squishies. That's so cool. Whoa, this one's slow. I'm gonna go with that one. This one's cute. It's like a little action figure one, and I love action figures if you don't know me. Nah. This one's dense. I don't want that one. I don't want a dense one. That one's also dense. This one's good, but still dense. What about this one? That one's dense. What about this one? That one's not dense. Let's get this one. Jeez, they're just playing around. Is that all we need? We need chips! That's perfect! We can also watch a movie. Awesome. I am loaded with our good night tonight. We're gonna have awesome night. And stay tuned for the video that we're doing with us having an awesome night. Yes. Okay. They made unicorn chips? I'm gonna get these. They made Pringles in a bag. That's awesome. Now, I don't know which one to get. She loves Cool Ranch, but I love nacho cheese. And if we get nacho cheese, that ain't enough. I also kind of like this. I like both. And she only likes Cool Ranch. I'll get some, this little mini packet for me to snack on. And this for her and me to snack on. Hopefully that's everything. But I lost my money in there. Whoops. Okay. Now I have to dig for it and find it. Aha! Right here. Okay. Geez, we're gonna have a fun night. Let's go check out. I gotta be careful for their dogs playing here. Oh my. Geez, they're very wild and crazy. Oh, excuse me, dogs. Thank you. I swear they had 3. One's hidden. Probably because of them. Whoa, you got some wild dogs here. They're pretty wild. Yeah, they are. Sorry. Oh, it's okay. I know. They're really wild. Yeah, they are. Okay, well, I guess I should start checking out. I'm at the self-checkout. Let's see. Let me grab a bag. I brought some of my own bags so I don't have to waste theirs. Okay. Basket's way over here. Chips. We'll get a bag ready. Oh, it's creepy skin. Jeez. All the chips in this bag. Is that all the chips? Yep, got all the chips in here. I think we can fit some more. Get the paper and pencil. Fitting in this bag. Where's the pencil? Found it. It's a loud beeper. Jeez. Nutella. Loud scanner. Jeez. Her donut, she doesn't like the unicorn donuts that they make. She only likes the bear ones. She said gold. Where is mine? Oh, right here. She said this tastes gross. So for quite a bit. Popcorn and pancakes. Oh no! Whoopsie! It's my fault. Sorry. You still fit stuff. Jeez. This one. This bag is full. I'll tie this up. There we go. Next one. Banana. I didn't get a banana. Someone snooked this in my cart. Let me go put this back. Hold on. It's gonna kind of be a while. Give me a second. Okay, I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Okay. MacBook? I didn't get this either. I got the Nintendo Switch. Someone keeps putting stuff in my basket. Let me go put this back. Put this back. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, I'm coming. Coming back. Hopefully none of that happens again. Oh, look at this cute puppy that they have. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, he's cute. Oh, you give the door? Open it, open it. Oh, it's got some dirty paws though. Ew. Ew. Okay, that's gross. Loaf of bread. Got the bag ready. Loaf of bread. And it doesn't have a scanner, so I'm gonna put this in my bag and get that switched up. There you go. Okay. Cinnamon rolls. Beep. Cupcake. It's at the little bottom of the piece that holds the cupcake inside. Beep. Cool action figure. Beep. This cute little monster. Beep. Box of Milk Duds for us to share. Beep. Little plants. Beep. Watermelon. Tasty. Beep. Pineapple. Beep. This bag is full. I bet actually it can fit like 2 more things. Cookie. Beep. Watermelon. Beep. The cookie small, so I can fit 1 more thing. Lollipop. Beep. Another bag. Here, a little action figure. Beep. The pop. Beep. No, it's a bit awful. Mini fridge. Beep. Milk. Beep. Tissues and gum. Beep. Beep. Okay, we're done with all of that, but now I need help for the Nintendo Switch. Excuse me, I need help for the Nintendo Switch. I bought a Nintendo Switch and I need your help. Please, and thank you. I will get it right now. I'll get it all scanned. There we go. Thank you. Awesome. Back up. Now let's go home and take a nap. And tomorrow is going to be an awesome day with all of these snacks. I can't wait any longer. I hope to see you all next time. Bye. I gotta go. I'm so tired.